Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Work in a well-ventilated area with gloves and eye protection. Lay out cotton cloths, a soft bristled brush, and metal polish. Secure the bullet in a soft-jawed clamp or wrap it in cloth to prevent scratching. Inspect the surface for carbon, pits, or dents and remove loose debris with the brush. Apply a pea-sized amount of metal polish to a clean cloth, not directly onto the metal. Dab the polish onto a small area to test reaction and finish. Begin polishing using small circular motions with light pressure for 1 to 2 minutes per area. Keep each stroke within 10 to 20 centimeters to maintain consistent coverage. For grooves and recessed details, use a soft bristled brush loaded with polish and work along the grain. Avoid aggressive scrubbing that removes material or changes shape. Maintain a clean working surface and rotate the cloth frequently to prevent reapplying grit. Wipe residue with rinse the polished bullet with warm water and mild soap to remove remaining polish and particles. Dry thoroughly with a lint-free cloth and allow 5 to 10 minutes of air drying. Inspect the surface under good light for missed spots and repeat polishing on small areas if necessary. Apply a thin coat of protective oil or microcrystalline wax to prevent tarnish and fingerprints. Store bullets in a dry, padded case away from humidity and acidic materials to preserve the finish long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.